Hello all, in this video we are going to see indicator dots chart. This helps us to show the relative performance. Usually we have a benchmark that it's a kind of a standard that we want to compare how individuals perform with that benchmark. So here in this data we have different companies and their performance in 4 different quarters in the percentage and the overall performance. If you take company 1 in the first quarter, they have 86 percentage performance, 75 percentage, 57 percentage, and 63 percentage respectively with all the quarters there. Here is the overall percentage. So if you want to see a relative performance of all those quarters, you can consider select this cell, insert, go to insert, and if you notice here you see spark lines, okay, and for this data it is appropriate to use line, and then make sure you select the data range of all the 4 quarters and then click OK. So you get how they performed. So basically their performance was high earlier and then by the final quarter it was low. And then just drag and drop by using that plus sign so that you get the performance of all these companies, okay, relative performance. So at least by looking at the graphs, it is kind of a easy way for you to visualize how you would be able to draw a relative graph, a relative comparison. And here you would see all in numbers. You could be able to even see some kind of indicator, whether 70 is high compared to 45 or compared to 49 or compared to 62. So for that we will be using indicator dots. For that we use conditional formatting. Okay, so go to conditional formatting, go to icon sets and select whatever you want to do. Okay, so since I said indicator dots, you have like a 3 different, it is kind of like a traffic signal. Red is bad, yellow is neutral, green is positive, good. If you want like a 4 different scale, you can consider 4 different scale, or if you want 3 different scale, you can take. And if you want to consider this as a good indicator for you, you could use or this one. Okay, so let me use some flags here that shows a couple of red flags and couple of green flags. Okay, and if you want to change those indicator dots from the icon sets to plus or just the dots, just gives you how it is performing. Okay, so you get a comparison between other values of the particular column. In the conditional formatting, we have other different things that we will be using in the later on other videos. If you want to see your chart, your performance in a different chart, you could go insert, maybe you could do column chart. You have another chart here, win or loss, but this data is not appropriate for that particular chart, so you may want to see that. So get that cross and then drag and drop until the end. You would be able to get a different how they performed. So highest to lowest again. So I think this is a good graph, company 4, lowest to highest. Okay, and average is also good. Well, performance. Okay, so this is about the indicator dot, where you would be able to visualize for a better visual perception in order to see the relative comparison, or in order to see the relative comparison of the performance or a relative performance. Okay, thank you for watching.